Now here in this video we are going to discuss how to check invertibility of a function. That is, to check whether a function has inverse or not. So the simplest algorithm to check the invertibility of a function is that we have to check whether the function is a bijection or not. If f from a to b is a bijection or 1 onto function, the function f must be an invertible function. That means if we need to prove a function to be invertible, then we have to prove that function to be bijective. So simply we need to find out, we have to check the bijection of the function, and if it is bijection, it must be an invertible function. Now we are going to discuss how to find inverse. How to find inverse of a function. How to find inverse of a function? Let y is equal to fx as a function from a to b. Then first we check the invertibility of the function and if it is found to be invertible, then first we transform the function y is equal to fx in the form x is a function of y. Then after, in the next step, we replace x by f inverse and y by x. This is how we find inverse of a function. Let us take an example. Let fx is equal to x minus 3 upon x minus 2, as we have taken this example in the previous topic. So let y is equal to fx or y is equal to x minus 3 upon x minus 2. Then transpose x minus 2 to left hand side, we get y x minus 2 is equal to x minus 3, or xy minus 2y is equal to x minus 3, or transposing x to left hand side, xy minus x, and transposing 2y to right hand side, we get 2y minus 3, or taking x common out of these two terms, we have xy minus 1 is equal to 2y minus 3, or transposing this binomial to right hand side, we get x is equal to 2y minus 3 upon y minus 1. So in this way, you see we have transformed the function y is equal to fx in the form x is equal to phi y. So in this step, we replace x by f inverse. It implies f inverse is equal to, we replace x by f inverse and y by x, 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1. So this is the inverse of the function x minus 3 upon x minus 2.